Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we are going to be doing March Madness. But before I jump into that, I wanted to share with y'all my new Ko-fi memberships and the tiers and what you can get with each tier. So starting with the Scribblers, which is $3 per month, you can get the monthly dashboard. So this is for April. The monthly digital, these are all digital versions, by the way. What are these? Minis. I couldn't think of the word. Minis and a set of tinies. And these are in addition to the ones that I normally post. Like usually I'll do a freebie or two here and there. So these will be just for members in this tier. When you are in the Sketchers tier, you get all of those three things that I just showed you, plus you get a monthly group play challenge mailed out to you. So this is the one for April. And then you also get a themed other monthly challenge. So this is called Bunny Hop. It's like a race for each bunny. So that is what you'll get as part of the Sketchers. And in addition, I don't have this printed out, but you'll get a physical birthday challenge mailed to you. So that is the middle tier Sketchers, which is $8 a month. And then the highest tier Doodlers is $15 per month. You'll get all of those things. So the monthly minis, the dashboard, the tinies, the monthly group play, the monthly themed challenge. Your birthday challenge will be personalized, so it'll have your name on it. And then in addition, you'll get a monthly scratch off. So this is the one for April. It says, "Oh, for peeps' sake," and it's a little scratch off challenge. You'll also have your name listed on my channel on YouTube as part of my Doodlers Club, and exclusive access to digital challenges. So I'm not sure how many of these I'll be creating a month, but it just depends on like my creative flow. And I just I sometimes create extra, so you'll get exclusive access to those that only you can get as part of the Doodlers Club. But don't worry if you are not able to join one of these membership tiers on Ko-fi. I still plan on posting freebies for y'all, and you can always grab those for free. But if you did want a membership, they are up, they are available, and I will be mailing out these challenges to my first few members who have joined. Thank you so much. I was so excited. I'm so excited to get started. And I do plan on keeping like a month ahead, mailing these challenges out for April before the end of March, so that y'all have them for the next month. And in April, I'll mail out the ones for May. And that way you can kind of plan on how you're going to use them in your binders and stuff. All right, so that is my my update for y'all on that. And let me jump into our March Madness. Let me get cleaned up here and we'll get started with March Madness. Okay, y'all, so we have 5 new challenges here today. We are going to be using $40 in ones, and then I have 2 buyback 5s for a total of $50. I budgeted $10 a day, but I did get a little extras in my savings and from my Ko-fi and different stuff. So we have a little bit more than that to play with each day. So we are doing the days 19 through 22. I always have to count on my fingers, guys. Okay, let me get my dice here. So I will be posting this tomorrow. So Wednesday. I hope y'all will be doing all right when I post it on Wednesday, halfway through the week. More than halfway through the month of March, which is exciting. I feel like it's just flying by, probably because I'm so darn busy, but also excited for spring. And so I feel like it goes faster, like when you're anticipating things, you know how it goes. So I'm excited for the school year to be over. We're hitting that time of year where I'm just really exhausted, and I'm enjoying my kiddos still that I teach. But I was kind of joking with them, since I teach at the 6th grade and that's the only level that we have there. It's like I kind of nice because at the end of the year, I just get to say goodbye and I never have to see them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they were like, that's so mean. I was just playing, but I will miss a lot of them next year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I usually cry at the end of the school year because we're all saying goodbye, and it's, you know, it's a big deal for them and for me. So, okay. So we're finishing up here. Just a few more, going to number 3. All right. So let me set these aside. I'm using my, what's it called? My cash tray for something else right now. So I'm just gonna set these over here for now. Okay, so we have this challenge, which is by me. And today we got $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So let's see what we can do. We have 4. Let's just do these 3 4s because 4 times 3 is 12, right? Yeah, I think so. Yes, I have to like double check. Oh my goodness. I'm so bad at like mental math, guys. All right, so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, and this challenge is in my Ko-fi. If you would like to get it, you can head over there. It is still on there. You might have to scroll down for a bit, but all right, our next challenge is by Teacher Mom Budgets, and this is a Hello March. So you can grab this in her Ko-fi. I'll have all these challenges linked below. This challenge got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a nice start with that one. All right, next we have this challenge by Budget with Jessica. And this challenge got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as well. Okay, so we're going to make each one of these clovers $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, moving on, we have this one from Budgeting with Chris. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Each pot of gold is $1. So we're going to cross off 4 today. Then we have this one by Beezy's Things. Sorry, it's really small and I was having a hard time reading. Oh, we have a 5 in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have an extra, unless I'm missing one. No, we have an extra $1 over there, and we finished this challenge. Oh my goodness, my paper clips are sticking together. Oh, before I forget, let me write down, it is 3/18 today. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, yeah, so $11 saved with this. I'll just set that over here for a second. Okay, then we have this new one. This is by Beach Life Budgeting, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cute little spring themed one. All right, and we have one extra $1. So I don't think any of them are close to being finished. So let's just add it to this, since this is the one that we started we've had it the longest. All right, there we go. And so we finished one challenge today. We got a good start on a lot of these other challenges, and we will keep going on the 22nd. Is that what I said? The 22nd? I think so. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will have my membership tiers for my Ko-fi linked down below, so you can go check those out if you're interested, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.